Hi, I'm Justine, and that's Jessica, and today we're going to show you how good we can burp. Sound good? Okay. Well, when you hear this, it might not sound too good to your ears. That
is on air.
Is pure air power. No carbonation. Get that? Yeah.
Oh, that has peanut butter.
Scary.
That was peanut butter.
Yeah, okay, oh, it's just a low one on there. Nothing compared to that thing over there. My so-called best friend.
So-called?
Yeah. I need some good old Coca-Cola to get my burps going. That old carbonation down in my gut. Yeah.
You can burp on Coke. I can't. I burp on air.
Doesn't it feel great when you burp?
We look so innocent.
Yeah, innocent.
Far from it.
Ugh.
I can burp better than my boyfriend.
Oh, okay. Well. Okay, well, you probably don't want to hear anymore from us, so we'll let you go. Bye.